In 1983, Jürgen Stehr founded his one-man company in Storndorf, Upper Hessen. What began in 1988 with an initial idea in Hessen is now Stehr's global corporate credo, featuring innovative products in road construction and civil engineering. These now often change the state of the art in the simplest way. These include the road maintenance system Universal Grader with plate compactor. There are no machines anywhere in the world like this that can come even near its performance when it comes to repairing gravel roads in the simplest possible way. The following film shows the different work steps necessary to best repair a gravel road. First, the topsoil with vegetation that has formed on the verge over the course of time is pushed outwards with a gradient. Once the arable land is harvested, the material can be distributed over the field. This is an important step so that rainwater can run off sideways later. Valuable road material, which is located in the verge area, is pushed into the middle, in other words to where it is needed. With a tightly arranged ripping device located on the leveling plate, the lane is ripped open as far as the road hole depth and the material is mixed at the same time. The road profile can then be produced in a host of different configurations. A crown can also be created using the patented plate adjustment, which is adjusted via a single-handedly operated joystick. Finally, the compaction takes place, also with a Stehr invention. The plate compactor mounted on the front of the tractor with a working width of up to 3 meters. This compactor adapts automatically, as seen in the film, to a specified crown. This road was repaired over a length of 500 meters in high quality within 1 hour. Stehr machines do everything that little bit differently from the others. That's why we don't want to just rank among the best, we want to be the best. Further innovative Stehr ideas can be found at www.stehr.com and videos of our special machines in use at www.stehr.tv.